As I approach the sink, I can touch the faucet with my unclean hands because the faucet is not clean. I'm going to turn the water on to a comfortable temperature and wet my hands thoroughly. You must rub with friction for at least 20 seconds. I'll get enough soap to produce a nice rich lather and bring my hands together to start timing. I'm going to rub the tops of my wrists on both sides, the back of my hands, interlacing with my fingers, in between my thumb and index finger, making sure that I cover all areas with sufficient friction. The bottom of my hand by my pinky and the palm of my hand. After cleaning my hands, I'm going to go down my fingers with my thumb to clean the cuticles. I'm going to circle my nails on the palm of my hand and then rinse. Being careful not to touch the faucet or the inside of the sink. After rinsing, I'll tap to keep the water confined in the sink and then dry my hands thoroughly with paper towels, being careful not to touch the unwashed portion of my lower arms. I'll throw those away and get a clean dry paper towel to turn the faucet off because wet paper towels may rip and contaminate your hands.